this small right now, still getting our names, still learning the shape of the world we will claim. We don't know it all, we're just on our way, but we notice the room and the things you don't say. And you don't see our eyes when you walk through the room, but we catch every step, we catch everything you do. We're watching you, we're learning too, we're becoming the men we see in you. We're watching still, more than you think we do. We're becoming the men we see in you. When you turn to the day, we are turning with you. When you meet what comes next, we are studying through. Every pause, every face, every yes, every no. We are gathering pieces of the man that we know. And you don't see our eyes when you walk through the room, but we catch every step, we catch everything you do. We're watching you, we're learning too, we're becoming the men we see in you. We're watching still, more than you think we do. We're becoming the men we see in you. You may never stand and preach it, you may never make it loud, but the way you love our mother still echoes through this house. The way you keep on going when the world won't make it easy, that's the shape of strength, that's the man you're making in us. We won't stay this small, we won't stay this new. One day we'll stand tall with the shape we took from you. So remember, we're watching in the little things you do, 'cause we are all becoming from the life we see in you. We're watching you, we're learning too, we're becoming the men we see in you. We're watching still, more than you think we do. We're becoming the men we see in you. We won't stay this small, we won't stay this new. One day we'll stand tall with the shape we took from you.